Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are well. In today's video, I will be deep cleaning and disinfecting 2 of our bathrooms. If you need motivation to clean something in your home, or just want a cleaning buddy as you tackle some chores, this video is just for you. Before we get started, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get this done. So the first bathroom that I'll be working in today is the basement bathroom. As you can see, it is pretty tidy. However, I will be cleaning and disinfecting all of the surfaces. So I'm collecting all of the towels and I'll be taking down the shower curtain and liner so that I can toss them all into the washer. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you may notice that we made a minor upgrade in this bathroom. If you see it, please leave a comment below. Otherwise, I'll tell you what it is later in the video. When I'm cleaning my bathrooms, I like to use this Lysol cleaning gel. This is a cleaning product, but also a disinfectant, so I like to let it just sit for a while I take care of other things. So earlier I mentioned a minor upgrade that we made to this bathroom. It is to your left. It's right here. It's this detachable shower head. My husband replaced the one in this bathroom and the one in our 10-year-old's bathroom. These new removable ones, they're great because they allow me to rinse the walls so much easier than whatever method had to be used without having this. So it was a really minor upgrade, but absolutely necessary. Let me take this moment to make a proper introduction. Hi, I'm T, a married mom of 5. 4 are young adults who are not in the home anymore, and we're still raising our 10-year-old. We are also first-time grandparents. We have a granddaughter who is 4 months old. On this channel, you will see cleaning motivation, DIY home improvement, and room makeovers. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your continuing support means more than you'll ever know.
I just wanna make you my, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Well, let's pretend we stay just friends. Would you find some other guy when the night ends? What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out and a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights. You work so hard, night and day, all of it so you can be the queen on Friday. It's Saturday and Sunday, Monday too. And the way you move is like you own the room. Everybody gonna turn their heads and look at you, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what.
For the past few months, I've been reporting good news and not so good news in my weekly videos, so I'll just go ahead and jump into the good news for this week. Let's see, my channel growth. I recently picked up a lot of subscribers who came here via my toy room makeover. That was a really fun project to work on. It was a long time in the works, and I'm glad that it's finally done. It is quite heartwarming to know that my content resonates with someone other than me, and I want to give a warm welcome to everyone who came to me through that video or even some other video that just that hit you right in the heart and made you say, I'm going to subscribe to this channel. I just want to tell you how grateful I am that you've chosen to become part of this community. That said, if you have a praise, please leave a comment below. You never know who might read it and be encouraged, inspired, and motivated by your testimony. We will get into my not so good news and prayer requests later in the video.
Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough, you can't get enough of wild nights and high fives.
Let's talk about cleaning supplies and cleaning tools. If you're looking to start a regimen or you just want to improve your current process, but you find all of this overwhelming or you think it might even be too expensive, I just want to give you some hope. Many of the tools that you see me use in my videos are from Amazon, and that's because they bring items to my doorstep. However, if you don't have an Amazon account or you just prefer to get an up-close and personal look at items before you buy them, Big Lots is one of my favorite stores for doing that because they have a lot of great items. Also, Dollar Tree is an option, but some of their tools might not be as durable as you'd like them to be. That said, I buy a ton of cleaning products from Dollar Tree. The scrub-free shower cleaner and Comet that you saw me use earlier, as well as the Lysol toilet gel, are from Dollar Tree. I test out national brands and store brands, and then I use what works best for me. And if I can save some money using inexpensive products that still get the job done, I am happy. All that to say that if you watch cleaning videos and you're a little bit discouraged because you think you don't have the money to buy the tools that you see people using, or you don't have enough money to buy the supplies that you need, you don't really have to spend a lot of money. There are inexpensive options for the tools and the supplies. So you can still take care of your house in the way that you want to take care of it without having 6 different kinds of brooms, 12 different kinds of mops, and every single cleaner that's made that's known to mankind. So just be encouraged. There is a tool and a product that will work for you, or there are many tools and products that work for you in your price range.
Shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better.
Now let's talk about my not so good news for this week. It is actually, I still have the same prayer request that I had last week. That one was unspoken, but I'd like to add another unspoken one on top of that. If you have submitted a prayer request in the past, please know that I am still praying for your concern. If you have a new prayer request that you would like to leave, please do so in the comments. And if you're the praying type, please go through the comments and look for a request, and then if you are willing to come alongside someone and pray for their concern, please let them know. When you do leave a prayer request, just know that you do not have to be specific. You can say unspoken, because you and I both know that God already knows what it is that He would like for us to pray for on your behalf.
Loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away, walk away. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah. And baby, please don't.
As we wind down the video, I just want to mention that I did I sprayed some Odoban around the base of the toilet. I actually did that earlier in the day. There's an issue there, I'm not sure what it is, but this is my process. But also my cleaning routine for cleaning the bathrooms is that as I'm cleaning the toilet, I like to use disinfectant wipes to clean the floor around the base of the toilet before I use my sweeper broom thingy and before I use a mop.
I want your body, I want your body, yeah. Oh, and I want your body. You know I want your body. I want your body, body.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Well, we got it done. Thank you for following along as I cleaned 2 of our bathrooms. I truly hope that this video gave you the motivation that you need to tackle something in your home. If you cleaned with me, well done, pat yourself on the back. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see this kind of content in the future but are not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button, and when you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.
I you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set